Okay, next step is we're going to put in our connecting pins that connect the upper to the lower. I'm actually just going to do this. This would be the forward facing pin. And there's the pins in here. Looks like we have 2 pins. This is the smaller ones for the rear by the buffer. And this is the front one. And then we have 3 of these detent pins and 3 springs. That just means they give you an extra spring and an extra one of these pins. I guess they get lost fairly easy. Now this is going to be a little bit difficult. Just take your time because this spring could easily pop out. So let's go ahead and get this going. Let's see. Okay, if you see this hole, and I have my vise clamped onto the magazine, and there's my receiver, so we can work on it fairly easy. There's a hole, if you see it right there. That spring, and I'm just gonna, I always put lube on, a little lube on these parts. So I'm gonna put that spring in there, and then we're gonna take this pin, if you can see it. It's the same on both sides. It's going to go in there, and it's going to want to poke out because this pin is through that groove there. That's going to hold it in place. So what I like to do is try to push down on that pin and then get it flush down and then feed it through. And then that pin should catch inside this groove. So I'm going to take my time and do this so we don't lose this piece. Simple, just like that. If you notice, let me turn it so you can see. You can see the pin on this side. It catches in that groove. And we just got to push it closed. There it is. It's going to be stuck in there a little bit till we can get some oil on it, which I'm going to put a little bit right here. There. Perfect. That is working great. It's not going to come out. That spring putting pressure on that pin is holding this in place. So that's it. That'll connect your upper receiver. Okay, that was simple. Let's go on to next step.